Welcome to the Ethiopian Business Lounge called Sheba Cloud Lounge in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. First impressions of the lounge is that it is clean, it has space, and there seems to be different areas to the lounge, such as even a massage area, relaxation zone, and so on and so forth. You can even smoke in the lounge. There is a designated spot as well. Showers are of course included, and the lounge does offer a buffet as well. Now, at this time that I went, this was around 2-3 p.m. A lot of things have already stopped, such as drinks and all that. I took a look and there was nothing there. That being said, you can eat and drink at the main buffet. Here we are at the main buffet. Now, you can see here, but this lounge lacks a lot of selection. Unfortunately, they do not have as much as other airports, other business lounges, but it is still good. And one thing to note, that all of the food is 100% halal. And unfortunately, I could not record anything after the food because the staff had come in and told me that due to security reasons, I should not film the lounge. I have never had any trouble filming in other airports, other business lounges, so I do not know why this is in their rules and regulations. But I wanted to show everybody the lounge fully, but unfortunately I was not able to. That is one of my main complaints about this. After tasting the food, it wasn't that great. They have a bit of work.